Hello, everyone. This is Jim Krasinski with your weekly screencast video. So, this is week 7. It is drafting week. We've been moving at a pretty clip pace so far for this short semester. We're building on the previous 3 discussion boards. The brainstorming activity to work through a topic for your review article. Exercise, I should say, the AI Assist Discussion Board 7 provides a framework with the help of AI on how an introduction should sound and even appear in your first draft or review article draft. And then also gives you like 3 or 4 criteria that you can use to evaluate and write that evaluation. Also, discussion board number, what was that one? The reading check. Excuse me. 7.5 familiarized everyone who read it and performed the discussion board post on the structure of a review, how criteria and evidence would work through the particular process of writing a review article. In fact, we even get to the instructions and it gives you the structure right here about the introduction, the criteria, how to use headings. Language should be an engaging voice. All of the information here is a really good framework for a review article. And last but not least, the Spirited Away example demonstrates how an article should be formatted with title and byline, and then the smaller chunks of information in the paragraphs are a little bit different than an MLA essay. You want to stay away from that kind of formatting. This is a internet article, so it should be formatted accordingly. So let me get back over to the modules this week. And discussion board 8 is where we're going to do our first draft in peer review. So this is really a 2-part discussion board activity. Part number 1 is where you write your peer report and you attach your first draft in the way of a Word document or PDF document. Should try to be about 80% of the 1,000-word minimum on the assignment, which is about 800 words. Okay, and then the first thing I would like you to do is to write a little report to everybody what it was like to draft this particular assignment, the review article. And then use this template exactly right here. Complete the following template. Okay, you want to do that. Think of 3 items that you feel need some attention from your classmates in the way of your peer review. And this will be your initial post. Okay, it'll be the draft. You can attach the draft to the post, the report, and then this completed template with your 3 things. The part 2 in this is where you review your classmates' draft. So you can pick at random somebody that you feel you'd like to provide a peer review on. In your first peer review, I'm asking you to use AI to help with that peer review. If you copy and paste this template, which everybody should have filled out, you can put that in your AI along with uploading a copy of their first draft. You can download their particular Word or PDF and then upload it to your AI and present the magic button and then look at what it might provide you. You'd be surprised sometimes on the depth of an AI peer review. However, I do need you to reflect if you agree or disagree on that particular output from AI. So this is your first one. It'll provide some sort of a background on how peer review is determined, and especially using AI and what kind of input might work best. And then the second peer review you can write on your own, just reviewing and reading that particular draft. Even with the AI report, you have to read the draft and to verify if the AI is giving you a reasonable structure for feedback for that particular draft. So that's our process that's happening for the week. Toward the end of the week, if I get to the announcements real quick, the final draft of the article will be due Sunday, end of day, and then we're going to move into our last project, would be the lit review project, and it'll be the last one we work on prior to the end of the semester. So if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.